Hello there, baking friend. I'm Yvette from Enchanted Cakes by Yvette, and welcome to my ultimate ganache guide. If you're tired of spending hours trying to find the perfect recipe for ganache and would not only like our recipes for both dark chocolate and white chocolate ganache, but also all of our years of experience and our tips and tricks that we know work all in the one place, then you, my friend, are in exactly the right place. You can now relax and save time, money, and stress. We can make your life easier so that you too can produce perfectly luscious ganache every time for your cake creations. We've also included some bonuses for working with ganache drip and making black ganache too. So let's get started and make some ganache magic together. Thank you for watching my video. If you liked it, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and of course, if you haven't already subscribed, please do so. Also, don't forget to follow me on my socials so you never miss out on new content and amazing cake designs. See you next time.